Let's see how we can use the BIN2DEC, HEX2DEC, and OCT2DEC functions in Google Sheets. We have the BIN2DEC, HEX2DEC, and OCT2DEC functions Google Sheet open, and it has the data template we require. In column A, we have the 4-bit binary numbers from all zeros to all ones. In column B, we want the decimal number equivalent of the binary numbers given in column A. In column C, we have the hexadecimal numbers from 0 to 9 and A through F, that is the first 15 hexadecimal numbers. In column D, we want the decimal number equivalent of the hexadecimal numbers given in column C. In column E, we have the octal numbers from 0 to 7. And then we have from 10 to 17. In column F, we want the decimal number equivalent of the octal numbers given in column E. Let's first head to the B2 cell. To convert the binary number to decimal number, we will use the BIN2DEC function, which converts the signed binary number to decimal format. It takes a signed binary number as an argument. An example is shown. For our case, we will write equal to BIN2DEC, signed binary number will be A2. Let's close the bracket for BIN2DEC function. Let's autofill the data. We see that we get the decimal numbers from 0 to 15 for the binary numbers given in column A. Now to get the decimal equivalent of the hexadecimal numbers given in column C, we will head to the D2 cell, and we will use the HEX2DEC function, which converts a hexadecimal number to decimal. It takes a signed hexadecimal number as an argument. An example is shown. For our case, we will write equal to HEX2DEC, signed hexadecimal number will be C2. Let's close the bracket for HEX2DEC function. Let's autofill the data. We see that we get the decimal number equivalent from 0 to 15 for the hexadecimal numbers, given in column C. Next, to convert the octal numbers given in column E, to decimal numbers in column F, let's head to the F2 cell. We will use the OCT2DEC function, which converts a signed octal number to decimal format. It takes a signed octal number as an argument. An example is shown. For our case, we will write equal to OCT2DEC, signed octal number will be E2. Let's close the bracket for OCT2DEC function. Let's autofill the data. We see that we get the decimal number equivalent of the octal numbers given in column E. Decimal numbers are from 0 to 15. With this, we have successfully learned how to use the BIN2DEC, the HEX2DEC, and the OCT2DEC functions in Google Sheets. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe if this video was useful.